Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how we can get the Minecraft face filter in Instagram. So I have already saved this to my camera, and let's go to the creator profile. The creator is Hackpo. Let's go to his profile. You can go to his profile and you can go to the filter section, and this is the filter. You can tap the filter here. You can try this filter here, or you can save this to your camera from here. Okay, or otherwise you can go to my profile, and that's a highlight with the name game. From here also you can try this filter or save this filter to your camera. Okay, so let's go and check the filter again. Okay, so inside this filter you have a different option to choose from. Put lots of filter inside this one filter. Okay, there are many to choose from. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can go to a post profile and you can get this filter from there. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.